This is KixPicks, and today I just bought this lock. It's a BKS, and as it says here, it's made in Germany. It looks very good. I'm not sure what's written because I don't speak German. 1, 2, 3, 5, 5. And here's the key, as you guys can see. I'm gonna test this with the new picks that I'm selling on my Instagram page. All those picks come in the Phoenix design, as you can see. Very stylish, and it helps you to hold the pick in a way that doesn't hurt your hand. And those are long. The handle itself, it's 10 centimeters. The usual picks are 8 centimeters. And all those profiles are available, but the ones on the paper I'm just working for a client, and they come with a variety of wood handles, like those, as you can see. All those are not finished yet. So let's test the lock, and I think I'm going to try to rake it in the BKS lock. As you can see, the keyway is very narrow and tight. I didn't open this lock before, so this is my first time. And we've got to open. That's it, guys. This is the BKS Germany, and this is the Phoenix profile, Bogota. See you guys around, and if you're interested in any of those picks, just hit me up and see you around.
I want you to put your hands together one more time. I want you to get together. 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 Put your hands together one time. I want you to get together. I want you to get together.